Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna talk about how to upgrade your camp in Red Dead Redemption 2. When you're at camp, check the minimap. You'll see a small box icon with a $sign on it. That's a donation box where you can contribute money for camp supplies and upkeep. Right next to that donation box, there's a ledger. This ledger is where all the actual camp upgrades happen. Open the ledger and you'll see a list of different upgrades you can buy for the camp. One of the most important upgrades you should get as early as possible is Arthur's Lodging. Upgrading this fully unlocks fast travel at camp, which lets you fast travel for free. It saves a ton of time and is extremely useful. When you purchase upgrades, the game will use any money that's already in the donation box. If that's not enough, it will automatically take the rest from your own wallet. As long as you have enough money overall, the upgrade will go through. Using the ledger, you can upgrade things like medical supplies, ammo, and food to keep the camp running smoothly. These upgrades directly affect how well the camp is stocked. If you're more interested in changing how the camp looks, you'll need to visit Pearson, the butcher at camp. Bring him specific animal skins and he can craft cosmetic upgrades like decorations and improved lodgings around the camp. So to sum it up, camp upgrades are done in two ways. Gameplay upgrades are purchased through the ledger using money, and visual upgrades are crafted by Pearson using animal skins you donate. That's pretty much everything you need to know about upgrading your camp in Red Dead Redemption 2. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe my channel. I'll move to the next one. Bye bye.